Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem the exclusive Enshrouded skin from Twitch step by step. To get the full outfit, you'll need to connect your Steam account to Twitch, watch eligible streamers, and unlock each skin part based on how long you watch. Let's get started. First, go to the Twitch Drops page or directly to the Enshrouded Twitch Drop page. Link is usually provided by the game or Twitch. Click Connect or Link Accounts, then sign in with your Twitch account, sign in with your Steam account. Authorize the connection. This will allow Twitch to track your watch time and unlock the rewards in-game. Now go to twitch.tv and search for the game Enshrouded. Look for streamers with the Drops Enabled tag under their stream title. That's how you know watching them will count toward your rewards. Tip: you can keep the stream running in a separate tab. With the volume on low, it still counts. To get the full skin, you'll need to watch a certain number of hours for each piece. For example, mask, watch for 4 hours. Chest piece, watch for 2 hours. Leggings, watch for 1 hour. Gloves, cuirass, boots, watch for 30 minutes each. Make sure you're logged into Twitch while watching or your progress won't count. You can track your progress by going to Twitch, then Inventory, then Drops and Rewards. Once you've watched enough, a button will appear saying Claim under each reward. Click Claim for every item you've unlocked. They won't be delivered unless you claim them manually. After claiming, launch Enshrouded through Steam, and your skin parts should be available in-game, usually in your inventory or cosmetics menu. And that's it. That's how you unlock and redeem your Enshrouded Twitch drop skins step by step. If this video helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments which skin part you unlocked first. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your exclusive rewards.